Hello YouTube and welcome back to my channel. To start off with this video, I want to tell you I'm at the Fisher Body Plant 21 in Detroit. It's an abandoned automotive plant that I want to explore a bit. Officially it's illegal to enter, but I'll find my way. I'll be right back. Ooh, I found an entry. Okay, let's get walking because I don't want people to see me from the door. It's already a beautiful place. Might be dangerous, I guess. But well, hey, why not? Okay, I can't seem to find the stairs or anything easy to climb, so let's do it here. I wanted to talk to you about Twitch because I'm considering streaming online on Twitch. And a lot of people play games like Fortnite, Pubg, GTA or anything like that. But I just want to play The Sims. I wonder how I get up there. I want to get up there. No, but seriously, I want to stream The Sims or anything like that. At least a game that's not something a lot of people do. So just to stand out a little bit more. And with The Sims, I had an idea to let the viewers participate in the game. So if I make a sim, for example, I can name it like the name of one of the viewers, or I can just, I don't know, let the viewers decide on what to do with the sim, like how it should look and all stuff like that. And I might play different games. Maybe I'll play GTA one time, or I don't know, there's hundreds and hundreds of games you have to pick from. So it might be a possibility that I will play one of the mainstream games, but probably not. This video actually was just to show the plant I'm in now, the abandoned factory. But somehow I can't seem to get to the second floor. I will continue my search. Things like that are mainly the reason people think this is dangerous, because the ceiling came down and a whole part of the building there came down. But then again, it's fun to explore. Oh yeah, one little side note. I don't have any proper shoes on or anything like that. I'm just walking around in shorts and t-shirt and on flip-flops, slides or whatever you call them. So that's also why I couldn't climb up to the second floor. I might do it later, someday, maybe. So if you think it would be fun to watch me stream or anything, comment yes. And if you don't think it would be fun, well, maybe it's a good idea you don't comment at all. Okay, because of the lack of content here, not able to go to the second floor, I will go outside for a bit, I guess. Just try to get out without a cop seeing me. That's the hardest part, I guess. Yeah, officially this is illegal trespassing, but there's nobody here. I'm not doing anything wrong. Also, if you want to see more abandoned buildings and stuff, watch me explore the city, the abandoned city, the broken city. Just comment that you want to see more, because I like stuff like this. Just walk around, wander around, and just take a look at the beautiful mess that's what they call abandoned buildings. Oh look here, the part came down. Isn't it lovely? Okay, get out without cops. Fish, a lot of fish. But a little side note before I end this video. I'm on my way to my girlfriend now. Yes, I do have a girlfriend since a few weeks. I'll explain that in a different video. But I'm already planning on making another abandoned building video. It's about the Pubg plant in Detroit. I can see if I can put a link in the description below. But it's one of the biggest abandoned buildings I know of, I have ever seen. So yeah, look it up, and just a little side note for now. Later. So this is the building from the outside. That's the part I just told you that was collapsed. It is really collapsed. But to end this video, if you like me to stream, comment yes. If you want me to explore, comment explore. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to my channel. If you do, don't forget to hit the notification bell. so you get a notification every time I upload a video. Sorry for my lack of being able to talk, but can't English today. Well, see you guys later.